Panasonic NE-1025F microwave oven. Panasonic NE-1025F microwave oven is a heavy-duty commercial-grade microwave. Easy cooking with over 20 programmable menus, with 2 and 3 stage cooking at 6 different power levels. The oven door, so you can check on food without interrupting the cooking, and the oven has an interior light to make food easily seen while it is cooking. The bottom energy feed increases the efficiency and speed of this oven, since the microwaves do not have to travel as far to heat the food. Easy to use 6-minute electronic dial timer with 15-second increments that are easily visible. The grab and go door handle is easily opened and has been constructed to withstand high volume use. This oven will hold 1/2 size 6-inch deep pan with a cover. Panasonic NE-1025F 1000 watt commercial microwave oven. 6-minute timer dial, fits 1/2 size 6.34, tall pan with cover, interior oven light, see-through oven door and anti-theft equipped.
Specification and description: Panasonic NE-1025F microwave oven. Panasonic NE-1025F 1000 watt commercial microwave oven. 6-minute timer dial. Fits 1/2 size 6 and number 34. Tall pan with cover. Interior oven light. See-through oven door and anti-theft equipped. Our top choice is the Panasonic NE-1025F. Panasonic NE-1025 is a heavy-duty commercial-grade microwave, easy cooking with over 20 programmable menus, with 2 and 3 stage cooking at 6 different power levels. Easy to use 6-minute electronic dial timer with 15-second increments that 8 easily visible. Door handle is a grab-and-go that easily opens and can withstand high volume use. This is our first choice based on our comparison. Check it out using link.
Testimony and review for Panasonic NE-1025F microwave oven. This is a great microwave. So easy to clean, opens nicely and feels durable. Simple knob from 0 to 6 minutes. It sounds like a normal microwave. The beep loudness is normal too. About the same as our old 90s microwave. Also about the same power as our old one, decently powerful. It looks nice, but still a little weird with the words on the front describing times for heating up certain meals. Specification and description: Panasonic NE-1025F microwave oven. Panasonic NE-1025F 1000 watt commercial microwave oven. 6-minute timer dial, fits 1/2 size 6 and number 34. Tall pan with cover, interior oven light, see-through oven door and anti-theft equipped.